Köhti Helsingin Vattuniemen hovi.
It's the left of 2021 years. Melkon katu, melkein saatan 13 sticks, hey?
Nahkahousuntie 7
Yeah.
is the main address, not Melkon katu 13.
Yeah, there's another staircase. It's a bit.
Yeah.
So we can go there also.
Yeah.
It's a very nice Kone Sigma picture, Sigma fixtures. The 10 floors and 9 actually, built in 2000, turned 20 years older in last year, 2020.
Yeah.
Basement floor is locked off, so 8 floors are open. And the serial number is H70353. Capacity is 8 version 600.
Yeah.
This must be early 2000 because it has the older Kone logo here.
Yeah.
Still very fresh.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. But we don't have so much time, so
You can text afterwards.
okay. But we have to hurry up. So with that we can go to the ones in Lauttasaari to process.
Yeah. It's bad maintained by Spohis.
Bad maintenance.
Yeah.
But luckily luckily they didn't scratch the flame indicator.
Yeah.
They have done it in Tonian. They shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
It has a chime.
Yeah.
So the connection alarm still has the older Kone logo.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and we can also check the status.
That's